In this video, we will learn how to remap any controller button in Fortnite. In order to remap your controller buttons in Fortnite, firstly you need to open up your game. After that, you need to head to your profile section from the top right hand side of your screen, left click. From here, go to the settings menu. After that, from the second most tab from the right hand side, click on the controller mapping button. From here, in order to change your mapping, all you need to do is set the controller binding present to custom. After setting it to custom, you can select any of the binding that you want to change and change it to your desired button. You can also quickly navigate to any specific setting that you want to change, like if you want to change your gyro settings or your flying settings, you can go to directly from here, and in order to change, just left click on the button. Now press the key that you want to assign it to. After pressing it, it will be changed to the button that you have chosen, and you can enjoy the game as you wish. After that, hit on apply, then go back. Now you can play the game with your custom key mapping. So this is how you can easily change your controller key mapping and enjoy the game at the fullest. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.